when there are more terms present than just 2 within a bracket, you've got to be really careful when expanding. The box method's really good as long as there's only 2 sets of brackets, and it doesn't matter how big it gets. So all we're going to do now is, instead of having a 2 by 2, we set up 3 rows inside for our grid. So we put our 2x and our minus 3 across the top of the columns, and then down the side we have our x squared minus 3x and plus 4. So the blue terms have come from the second bracket and the red has come from the first bracket, and this will make sure we multiply every term together the way it should be. So for the first cell we're going to have 2x times x squared, which will give 2x cubed, and then we're going to have minus 3x squared. Then we have 2x times minus 3x, which will give minus 6x squared. And then minus 3 times minus 3x will give positive 9x. Then we have 2x times 4, which is positive 8x. And then the last cell is minus 3 times 4, which is negative 12. So next we just have to list out all the terms. So 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus 6x squared plus 9x plus 8x plus 12. Now we need to go through and simplify it by collecting our like terms. So our like terms are everything with the same variable raised to the same power, so the negative 3x squared and the minus 6x squared will combine to give minus 9x squared, and the plus 9x and the plus 8x will combine to give plus 17x. And then the last two don't have any other like terms, so it's just 3x cubed minus 9x squared plus 17x plus 12. And that is the expanded form for the brackets above.